I don't know if I used it. Anybody?
What?
Oh.
Mom, is Izzy's clear?
Clear.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Is Izzy's clear?
Is Izzy's what clear?
The organizer.
Yeah, white and clear. Bella,
Yeah.
you got?
Mom,
Huh?
you know those PE shoes? Give them to baby Zoe.
Okay, that's what I'm hanging on to for. Girls, hello?
Yeah.
Help, please.
Okay. Oh, I thought you did something else.
They gotta stop making laundry soap look so cute. Little kids don't understand.
This being in laundry.
Sorry, I might have dropped them in there earlier.
No, it was me.
Oh. Well, I had sour watermelon too earlier.
My mini Bible I found. Jonathan.
What?
Can you read that, Izzy?
Mom, you were having a party just now. And
Yeah.
I'm like,
Izzy,
ah.
can you read your mommy's Bible?
Yeah. All the words are still in
Come on,
there.
squirrels.
Did the words come off?
These
Whoa, all my
wonderful-
books.
Savannah, these are, yeah. Why don't you take them to your room?
Which one?
This is mine.
That one.
This is your Brooklyn's.
I don't know how to read those, Mom.
I know.
What am I?
I'll learn. Just look through those. Don't lose this.
About time this gets organized. I've tried so many times and it's always gotten messy again.
Shoot, this was supposed to go back to the school.
Yeah, I'll fix it, Grandma.
Keep going, girls.
Here I am, right in front of you. Look at me when I say I'm sure what I'm doing, so please let me stay till the morning comes and take me away. So please let me stay. Never mind to apologize, our mistakes here and now. Let our love explode. Show me how you do it alright. Are you thinking about us? Are you thinking about us? Baby, look at me now and say that there is no turning back, and maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to, baby. Look at me now and say that there is no turning back, and maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to. I can understand why you feel insecure. All the things I said and the things I did before. If the stain on you, I'll take it away if you let me stay. Never mind all your principles if you feel this is right. We're here and now, let us not lose precious time. Are you thinking about us? Are you thinking about us? And wanna catch up where we left off? Look around, it's just you and I exist in this world right now. So let's keep it this way for a while. I know you want it as well, baby. Look at me now and say that there is no turning back, and maybe we should take it slow, but I won't go unless you want me to, baby.
Can I please?
throw it in the trash because it landed on the floor. Okay.
Omar, scoop that.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You know.
Down she goes.
So dangerous. So dangerous job.